In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate and choose between two AI platforms, Suno AI and Loudly AI. We'll walk through this process step by step, guiding you through exploring their features, pricing, and user reviews. Together, we'll assess their interface usability, AI capabilities, and output quality, and even test out any available free trials to make an informed decision on which platform suits your needs best. Let's start by opening Chrome on your computer. Once you've done that, we're going to visit the websites for both Suno AI and Loudly AI. Just type their names into the search bar followed by .com, or you can use your preferred search engine to find them. Now that you're on their websites, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what each platform offers. It's really important to get a feel for the functionalities and tools available because these will be central to how each platform can help you achieve your goals. Next, we're going to delve into the features each site offers. Pay close attention to what's highlighted on their homepage. These are typically their flagship features. Navigate through their feature list to see a detailed explanation of what each one does. It's helpful to keep notes on the unique offerings of each platform. Similarly, glance at the pricing section on each site. Understanding the cost is as crucial as knowing the features because it has to fit within your budget. Often, platforms offer different pricing tiers depending on the packages. Be thorough in checking if the cost correlates with the features you might need. Now let's move on to user reviews. User feedback can often provide real-world insight that the marketing materials do not. Look for reviews that mention specific features you're interested in as well as overall satisfaction with the platform. This honest feedback can be a deciding factor, giving you a clearer picture of what to expect. We'll now dive into comparing interface usability, AI capabilities, and output quality. The website interface should feel intuitive and easy to navigate. Check how the information is presented and how quickly you can access the tools you need. Equally, the AI capabilities are core to what each platform offers. Look at how advanced their solutions are. Do they solve your problems? Do they innovate beyond your basic requirements? And then there's the output quality to assess. Does the AI deliver consistent results? Is the quality up to your standards? These are key questions that should guide your evaluation. Fortunately, many platforms offer free trials. If either Suno AI or Loudly AI offers this, take advantage of it. Testing the platform yourself is invaluable and will give you first-hand experience with everything we've discussed. Finally, it's decision time. Weigh all the aforementioned factors: features, pricing, reviews, usability, AI capabilities, and the output quality, alongside any trial experiences. Your choice should align with your specific needs, whether you need the most advanced features or the best value for money. Thanks for spending time with us to explore Suno AI and Loudly AI. I hope this guide has empowered you to make a confident choice. Good luck!